Hi everyone. Today we are answering a common question. Why is it that the camera is advertised to be waterproof and can be installed outdoors? Are water going in when I install it outdoors?
Hi, Kevin. Hi. Your advertisement claims it's waterproof, but after a heavy rain last night, water vapor was clearly visible inside the device. This is obvious that is a lie.
Please don't worry, let me see the installation session. A model of this camera.
The model is W8. I bought this from Amazon on July 28 this year. I provided my installation location.
Okay, I'm very sorry that water has entered the equipment. According to the installation diagram you provided, I would suggest you change the installation method at present. This installation method seems not very suitable. Please look at these interfaces. When installing outwards, if there is heavy rain, water may enter the bell mouth and the gap of this cat slot. This needs to be installed with the bracket facing outwards and the camera facing downwards. In addition to the installation method, you also need to note that the camera itself has different waterproof grades. This camera is IP66 grade. IP is an international standard used to indicate the dust and water resistance of electronic devices. The number 6 in front represents the dustproof grade 0 to 6. The larger the number, the better the dustproof performance. And number 6 at the back represents the waterproof grade 0 to 9. The larger the number, the stronger the waterproof performance.
Could you explain in more detail what difference this waterproof grade make our usage?
Sure, no problem. I'm very glad that you would like to listen to this. IP65 waterproof light rain or car wash water jets, suitable for installation under eaves or in shaded areas such as lampshades. IP66 is resistant to heavy rain or fine hoses, suitable for areas completely exposed outdoor. But if your area frequently has heavy rain and it lasts for a very long time, some shielding is still necessary. IP67 can be temporarily submerged in water up to 1 meter deep. This waterproof performance is sufficient to withstand continuous heavy rain.
So, for pure exposed outdoor installation, at least IP66 grade is required.
Yes, and it depends on the correct installation method.
We believe that by now you have a very clear understanding of how to install and select the camera. Subscribe to us and get more tips. Bye.